Popular prophet for Nigeria don't enter law hand. Nigeria. See, if you want to live for Nigeria, you have to use your number 6. You have to be careful. Hold your God well. Because the moment you fall their hand, you enter their trap, they go forget every good thing when you do. This pastor, whether they call Prophet Israel Ogundipe, the prophet for this CCC Genesis Global, yes, CCC Global Genesis, all those, all those church where they wear white garment, we know where they be like Jesus that time. They wear white garment, they don't go wear shoe, those church, you understand now? So the prophet, he don't enter law hand. He pay me when I watch her. I know say the videos not today, but I'll still get one video. I will still post at least when I'm still here, I even say I still talk, when I still hear sound small. You understand? Make videos still day. They say this pastor, you don't dupe somebody, big money. Oh, some they say 11 million, some they say 17 million naira. But what people know, million naira a day. But I don't do research. Most of the countless research where I don't see, they say na 17 million. And this thing they happened many years ago. Many years ago. It's not easy. They say this man, he collect the money from one woman, what they call Mrs. Olaide Williams only, where they base for UK. And they just collect her from. They say why and they buy, land, buy properties, build a house, even buy Nigeria. You understand now? So at the end, something happen. I don't know what happened. When the truth come and I do my call, the voice, and this thing happened long time ago. Now this year, now the matter can come out. I want more to watch the video. You understand where person still pay talk.
Welcome back to Global TV Adverts, the channel that brings the latest news and gist from around the world. Please kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell to notify you anytime we upload latest news and gist for you. After months and months of tills, it has finally been reported that the Lagos court has jailed Global Genesis Church founder, Israel Oladele, for defrauding an overseas-based lady. A Lagos State High Court today sentenced popular prophet and shepherd in charge of CCC Global Genesis Church, Prophet Israel Oladele Ogundipe, to 2-year imprisonment for defrauding a woman based abroad. The trial judge, Justice Olabisi Akinlade, sentenced Prophet Oladele after she found him guilty of 2-count charges out of the 7 he was charged, in a judgment that lasted for about 4 hours. Sentenced the defendant, Prophet Oladele, to a year imprisonments for count 2 and 4. She however discharged him of counts 1, 3, 5, 6 and 7 for lack of evidence against him. This isn't the first time Oladele would be enmeshed in a fraud case. In 2007, he was charged with 7 counts charges bordering on fraud and obtaining money by false pretenses, preferred against him by the Lagos state government. He was said to have defrauded one Mrs. Olaide William Oni to the total of 11 million naira. He had however pleaded not guilty to the charge when he was brought before the court. Reports has it that the trial judge, Justice Olabisi Akinlade, in her judgment on Wednesday found the prophet guilty of 2 out of 7 count charges. Prophet Oladele is the shepherd in charge of CCC Global Genesis Church located in Lagos. Justice Akinlade, in a judgment that lasted for about 4 hours, sentenced the defendant, Prophet Oladele, to a year imprisonment for counts 2 and 4. She however discharged him of counts 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7 for lack of evidence against him. It shows that no matter who you are, the law can still take its course in Nigeria. We hope the prophet has learned his lesson. After months and months of tills, it has finally been reported that the Lagos court has jailed Global Genesis Church founder, Israel Oladele, for defrauding an overseas-based lady. A Lagos State High Court today sentenced popular prophet and shepherd in charge of CCC Global Genesis Church, Prophet Israel Oladele Ogundipe, to 2-year imprisonment for defrauding a woman based abroad. The trial judge, Justice Olabisi Akinlade sentenced Prophet Olaidley after she found him guilty of 2-count charges out of the 7 he was charged, in a judgment that lasted for about 4 hours sentenced the defendant, Prophet Olaidley, to a year imprisonment for count 2 and 4. She however discharged him of counts 1, 3, 5, 6 and 7 for lack of evidence against him. This isn't the first time Olaidley would be enmeshed in a fraud case. In 2007, he was charged with 7 counts charges bordering on fraud and obtaining money by false pretenses, preferred against him by the Lagos state government. He was said to have defrauded one Mrs. Olaide William Oni to the total of 11 million naira. He had however pleaded not guilty to the charge when he was brought before the court. Reports has it that the trial judge, Justice Olabisi Akinlade, in her judgment on Wednesday found the Prophet guilty of 2 out of 7 count charges. Prophet Olaidley is the shepherd in charge of CCC Global Genesis Church located in Lagos. Justice Akinlade, in a judgment that lasted for about 4 hours, sentenced the defendant, Prophet Olaidley, to a year imprisonment for counts 2 and 4. She however discharged him of counts 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7 for lack of evidence against him. It shows that no matter who you are, the law can still take its course in Nigeria. We hope the Prophet has learned his lesson. Thanks for watching. Please remember to
You know, according to the story, they say now for Lagos State High Court, now the judge and the person will pass judge on now be Justice Olabisi Akindele. See, pastors, whatever I just talk, I'm not there against pastors, I need to be careful. Because people, they look for fault from now. Once una fall, see, they go use that to do example. Even when they interview one of the prophets for the same celestial church, one of the prophets, what did the prophet talk? He said, well, no one is above law. You understand? So this should be a lesson to the fans or his fans. They should know that not all that glitters are gold. You understand? Now waiting the prophet for the same church talk. And this story now, the first place where I see this story, now pastor na poster. Now pastor na poster. The first place where I see him before all news come they spread down. Now pastor. That's why they thought they'll say Agbons, they attack pastor. I know they attack pastor. Now pastors, they kill themselves. Now what about just stop it that one? Pastors now wanna go defend that now. And they give her 2 years imprisonment. Now according to the story, they thought say and this thing happened. This woman knows since 2002. The woman say, according to the woman say, when she take come Nigeria, now her stepsister take carrier go the church. Now they explain, and he said the pastor even see vision for her. See vision for her about her husband. Come tell her say, may she not do joint account or joint property or anything with her husband because her husband they cheat on her. Her husband they chop ogbolo for outside. You understand? So because of that now, the woman can agree with what the prophet talk, and the woman can they send her money. And this man has been going to trial since 2011. Every time they go come, nobody even know. You understand? Every time since 2011 they go court. Now 2020 now the thing come out, and they say they find this man guilty in 7 charges, but 5 the justice discharge him. Why? Because they said that 5 no get evidence, but these 2 now you give her 1 year each, which means 2 years imprisonment. And now many pastors now declare they're happy. I know they're happy. Now news I can't talk. Many pastors now declare. Many of them, I know some of them, they're happy. And I know say later now, many of them they will use that they preach for church now. See, Nigeria can never be good if the clergy they no work together. Now clergy, now them go fit repair Nigeria. I know what they talk because love not there between them. Yeah, this man is found guilty. I know. He's found guilty, but not be saying now one can't even they spread that and they spread that. Because if no be the pastor, I for not even say news like this, they maybe now after it don't expire, now for even know. Now from the pastor platform now I see, I go say me arrest, me first check whether the news is genuine. Pastor. Now this one are for the women. If they tell una, now they carry una family matter, even go meet pastor. Use wisdom. Use wisdom. If you know say your man not good for you, yeah, now you know that they call him domestic violence. You pack, you come out, leave house for her. But if you know say now just only small fight, we know say you can use wisdom to resolve it. Resolve it. But no meeting some pastors, Nigerian pastors, to settle your family issue. They go destroy them. Now, you don't eat your 17 million now. You can't come out. The man will be say you want to do now. Just imagine now. Say you say you don't want to do joint account with your husband. Now you don't know. And you think as this matter they go now, that man go fit stay with you again. I bet more will be careful. You see, men of God, we just still have to be careful. The way we do our things. And this thing that they happen, other one knows we don't know. Now tell me, who can be the best? And we don't know. That is why we talk saying only God know. I always talk this thing. I want to talk and round up my talk. Somebody go only tell me, Agbons, you have to do this. This is the time. God will know this. There is no time God know whether you serve him or not. Provided you are serving your God with your full heart. I'm telling you, nobody know God pass. Even Josie Suleiman, Pastor Chris, Oyedipo, Adeboye, Benny Hill, they don't know God pass you. Just that there is hierarchy in spiritual realm. They are your senior, they are your elders in spiritual, and they are your fathers in spiritual. Nobody say they know God pass you, because the same God create you, now still create them. You understand? It's just like as we did Spain, I know Spain, and Joshua Suleiman still come Spain. He knows Spain. We know him, but nobody say that he know him pass me. So people, I don't know the way with it. That is why he say, Oyibo today they don't pass us by 100. You know why? Because we the feel say now only our pastors know God pastors. No, my pastor always they talk one thing. I don't want to mention name. I don't want to talk who the pastor be. You know they talk one thing. One thing I like where they talk. He say no be only pastor go fit do miracle. Even you yourself go fit do miracle yourself. You can say never limit yourself in anything you are doing. So you can do it yourself. And that word I borrow that word for him, and I'm not go give him again. I borrow, I'm not going to give him again. You know why? I like the word. I'm telling you, there are some things you can do yourself. You don't need to go and meet pastor to help you to do it. You know this God. Your pastor knows this God. It's just that, yes, he is your senior. He is the one who will say, God, okay, make it direct you. But you know that same God. So we should stop deceiving ourselves. I don't know why African Christianity is different from other Christianity. I'm telling you the truth. Africa Christianity, if you say Christianity go tire you. I'm telling you, we are full of hatred, we are full of criminology, we are full of occultism, we are full of diabolism, we are full of gossipology, we are full of killings, everything inside us, Christians, and most African Christians. Now they even bad pass. Please, we have to. Okay, just imagine now how what happen now pastor na first poster. And that they share the same God. The way we say this man they pray with Jesus. Also you they pray with Jesus. I better not to get what I want to talk. May we change. Mona come my house, come beat me for saying this. May we change. There is something wrong with African Christians, most especially Nigeria Christianity. There is something wrong with us. We are not even preaching what is in the Bible. I'm telling you, a time will come where people just who they talk, and Nigerian pastor I'm telling you, make that time not come. They will not even like to hear anything. That's why you say if you go Italy, I'm telling you, if people go Italy, they don't know. If you go Italy, you go Costura. People don't reach Italy, they don't tell them. Once you tell them say you are a pastor, see now negative they will give you. Now me talking. Ask anybody what this. Once you tell them say you are a pastor, they will just give you negative. Because our Nigerians, though we have already projected a bad image about Nigeria in diaspora. If you go tell the population, you say you are a pastor, they will give you negative. You can't go carry lawyer, can't fight before you go even manage get document for Italy. I know that one well. May we change. May we change. This thing is getting too much. May we change. I don't care what I want. I better subscribe to Agbos TV. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook page, Agbos TV, and God will bless you.